If our children were asked, "Who is your best friend?" what would they reply? Would they come up with a list of names of their friends and relatives or cousins? Or would they say, "My parents are my best friends"? How many of us can confidently say that I am the best friend of my child? Islam emphasizes friendship or peers. Companionship is highly valued. There are a lot of researches that have shown parents are highly influential in the lives of the children, especially when they are young. Eventually, when they turn to an adolescent stage, peers become more influential. Friends are highly influenced than parents. Again, when the child turns into adulthood, automatically the parents become more influential. Prophet ﷺ has explained about this friendship in a very beautiful manner through a parable. He says, good friends are like musk sellers. We buy musk from them. We also get that scent or the smell that rubs off on our clothes. The musk smell. Evil friends are like the blacksmith who blows on bellows or the iron containers or the chambers. He is surrounded by hot iron or bitter smoke. We cannot expect anything from this person except the sparks, the fire sparks that comes out and burns our clothes. We get that nasty smell from them. So what do we understand by this parable? It's not just the smell that rubs off on our clothes. It is the dreams, the passion, the understanding, the learnings, the messages, the thoughts, the behaviors. All these are playing a vital role. We don't know what diversion it takes in the lives of our children. Most of the parents are very much concerned about the companionship of children during the adolescent stage. What are the tips we can follow to avoid this negativity or the negative friendship in the lives of our children? Number one, do not eliminate friends. I know it sounds weird and strange. What if I tell a newlywed girl not to talk to her parents if she's married? How will she react? Psychology says a teenage child, when we say do not talk to particular friend of his or her, she would react in the same way as the newlywed girl reacts. Can you imagine? Socializing is a part of life, and we need to encourage that because socializing will help in the overall development of the child. But we need to make sure that our children are selecting positive friends to bring positive influence in their life. Number two, help them to choose good friends. As I said earlier, parents play a very crucial role in influencing the child's life when they are young. During this time, it is our responsibility to instill good values, advices, and thoughts to choose better companions in life. We need to be consciously aware of the people whom we meet, what kind of friends we have, how do they influence our social life, our family life. We need to get aligned with those people who are having similar thoughts and behaviors, some like-minded people who can create positive changes in our lives. Number three, talk to children about peer pressure and friends. Researchers have shown that when we talk to our children about the friendship or the evil friends and the good friends, it really works. Explain to them about the consequences through maybe case studies and tell them what are they going to achieve when they have good friends. what kind of diversion it takes in their life. May Allah help us and guide all our children to choose good friends.